My name is Ravi Sharma and I made a valve design model for my final project. Valves are used to shut off or control flow. We're going to look at an inline plug type valve used on a steam turbine application. Some of the nomenclature is below. To develop a rough model for design, we need to consider geometry, closure time, which requires high spring forces. This leads to high impact stresses. We can look at the elastic deformation of the system. If we add a dash pot, we can reduce the impact velocity and impact stress. And then finally, here are some external forces. The geometric model has 8 nodes at the plug, 8 nodes at the seat, and essentially is a spring network that simulates elasticity. We'll close the valve 3 times with increasing load. We'll look at the deformation on the plug and seat, and then those can be used to calculate stresses. We have increasing spring loads with elastic deformation and a close-up. We'll add a dash pot and vary the magnitude and location of engagement. Without a dash pot, with a dash pot. And here are the results. We're trading impact velocity for closure time. Without damping, you have a very abrupt stop and a high impact velocity. When we add in a dash pot just before impacting the seat, you have a very smooth transition. You can still close the valve quickly and you have a reasonable impact velocity. And now we should have a good model for setting up the design space for our valve. Thanks for watching.